Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make canvas at home with Buckram. First, let's gather our essential materials. You'll need a firm base, like hardboard or thick cardboard, and Buckram cloth, which is quite affordable and easy to find. Don't forget student's glue, often called PVA glue, and gesso, which is crucial for priming. A palette knife or a wide brush will also be very helpful for smooth application. This method is super cost-effective, often costing less than 20 rupees for an A4 size, making it perfect for beginners. Now, let's prepare our canvas base. Begin by cutting your hardboard to your preferred canvas size. Next, cut the Buckram cloth, ensuring you leave about 2 to 3 inches of extra material on all 4 sides. Apply a good, even layer of student's glue across the entire hardboard surface. Carefully position the Buckram onto the glued board, pressing it down firmly to eliminate any air bubbles. Finally, fold the extra Buckram over the edges and glue it securely for a neat finish. With our Buckram base ready, it's time for the gesso. Gesso is vital as it primes the surface, making it smoother and less absorbent for your paints. For the first coat, dilute the gesso slightly with a touch of water. This helps it spread more easily. Apply this diluted gesso evenly across the Buckram, working from the center outwards with your brush or palette knife. Make sure to cover the entire surface. Allow each coat to dry thoroughly for at least 1 hour before proceeding to the next. To complete your canvas, apply a total of 2 to 3 coats of gesso. Remember to rotate the canvas 90 degrees between each coat to ensure truly even coverage. For an extra smooth finish, you can lightly sand the gessoed surface with fine grit sandpaper after it's fully dry. Your homemade canvas is now perfectly prepared and ready for your acrylics, oils, or other painting mediums. This simple, economical method provides a fantastic, sturdy surface for all your artistic endeavors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.